Hi, my name is Rohini Vij, and today I'm going to talk to you about consonants in the English alphabet. The English alphabet has 26 letters, and each letter has a name and a speech sound. There are 5 vowels in the English alphabet. They are A, E, I, O, U. The other 21 non-vowel letters are called consonants. Consonants are limited in the speech sounds they make. Most consonants represent only one speech sound, especially at the beginning of the word. Let's take a few words. Doll. The speech sound D clearly stands out. Similarly, B in ball, S or S in sun, J in jug. Now, what's the first or the initial sound that you can hear in the word cup? K. And what's the last sound you can hear in the word cup? P. That's right. What's the initial sound that you can hear in the word cat? And what's the last sound that you can hear in the word cat? T. Correct. These were some simple words where the consonant was making a single speech sound at the beginning and the end of words. In fact, in words where the consonant is even doubled, it still makes a single speech sound. For instance, let's take the word hiss, H-I-S-S. Here, the letter S is doubled, but it is only making one sound. Now, even though the letter S is appearing twice, the sound S is not S. Hiss is not hiss. It is hiss. It's the same with other words, such as kiss, miss, butter. Now, there are two T's together in the word butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, but it's still pronounced as butter and not butter or butterter. Here, at this point, let's take a few more examples where the double consonant letters are making a single speech sound. Egg, E-G-G, add, A-D-D, off, O-F-F.